last of the documents that I want to show you now is the student portfolio. So once again, for ease and access, we have it created in Excel. So here's your PLU, and again, like every other one of our documents, the PLUs are here identified at the bottom. And again, if they are not going to be accessing all of the PLUs, you can just merely hide them, because remember, this is a master document, so you've copied it from your master file into each student's folder. So what we have here is the PLU, the element, and on the side. So here you will upload your evidence into this block, and you can upload more than one piece of evidence. Your student comment is for the student to be able to make a comment about how they experienced that learning outcome. Your assessment date would be the date that you assessed it. Accredited by would be the teacher that has taken ownership of it. And then your teacher notes or feedback is for you to access and give your student feedback, because you might not at that time be able to give them feedback, but you can come in and type a little note here to say how they did and how you felt that they achieved that learning outcome. That gives them back feedback, as well as that it allows the assessment team at the end of the year, when it comes to awarding the L2LP, that we can as a department have a look at those comments and award the award of L2LP based on those notes and feedback.